Hello fashion enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the secrets of style and craftsmanship. Today, we're diving deep into the art of creating fashionable dress pants with expert tailoring tips. Get ready to elevate your wardrobe. First, let's talk about fabric selection. The right fabric is crucial. Consider wool for its classic elegance and breathability, or try linen for a more relaxed, summery vibe. For a touch of luxury, silk blends are an excellent option. Ensure the fabric complements your style and the occasion. Next, the fit. Dress pants should flatter your silhouette. A well-fitted pair accentuates your best features. Start by measuring your waist, hips, and inseam. When shopping, always prioritize fit over size. Tailoring can always adjust the details to fit you perfectly. Now, let's delve into the tailoring process. Precision is paramount here. The first step involves taking accurate measurements. Note the waist, hips, and length. Remember, properly measured pants define the shape and comfort. Use these measurements when choosing the base size. Next, pinning and marking. Pin the fabric according to your desired fit, and mark the areas that need adjustment. Consider the rise, the seat, and the taper of the leg. This is your chance to make the pants uniquely yours, aligning with your personal preferences. Then, the sewing. Begin with a sturdy sewing machine and select a thread that matches your fabric. Pay close attention to the seams, ensuring they are straight and secure. Reinforce high-stress areas. Remember, quality stitching is vital to the garment's longevity. After sewing, it's time for the final touches. Press the pants to create crisp creases and a polished look. Hem the bottom to the appropriate length, either by hand or with a machine. Check the waist and adjust the fit. This fine-tuning transforms a good pair of pants into a great pair. For an extra touch, consider details like pocket styles, belt loops, and the type of closure you prefer. These elements add character and personality to your dress pants. It reflects your attention to detail and personal style. Finally, the perfect fit. Always take your finished dress pants for a final fitting. Adjust any areas that still need attention. A well-tailored pair of dress pants is a wardrobe staple that combines style, comfort, and sophistication. To summarize, choose the right fabric, focus on fit, master the tailoring process, and don't be afraid to add personal touches. Now you're equipped to make fashionable dress pants. We hope these tips have inspired you to create your own bespoke dress pants. Thank you for watching, and happy tailoring!